Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So as Christmas is fast approaching, I will be sharing with you Christmas ornaments for your Christmas tree, for decoration and things like that. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to crochet a Christmas tree, and you can use it as an ornament as well. Please do not forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start the round one with a magic circle. This is pretty easy, and I'm going to do a chain of 1, and I'm going to do 3 single crochet into the magic ring. Chain 1, turn your work around, and this is a 2-row repeat pattern. Very easy. It's a 2-row repeat pattern, and we have 3 stitches here, and we're going to be working only in the back loop. And keep in mind that in the middle stitch we are always going to do an increase. We are going to put 3 single crochet in the middle of the stitch. We have a odd number here. So now I'm going to do the first and put my first single crochet into the first stitch. 3 single crochet into the middle stitch. We're always going to have a middle stitch because it's a odd number. We're going to be working with odd numbers. So we have 3, we're going to have 5, we're going to have 7, and so on. So we're always going to work in the middle stitch, and in the 1 single crochet into the last stitch. And now I have a total of 5 stitches. I will chain 1 and turn my work around, working in the back loop only. Now in this row I will just put only in the back loop. I'm going to do 5 single crochet without increase on this row, just 5 single crochet. And when we get to the end of it, I'm going to do a chain 1, and I'll turn my work around. Now we have 5 stitches, and we're going to repeat the same thing. Do 2 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. In the middle stitch we are going to do 3 single crochet for the increase, and then 2 single crochet for the next 2 stitches. As I said earlier, this is the 2-row repeat pattern. So what we are going to just do is just keep repeating into this next stitch. Now we are going to do an increase. We're going to do the increase into the middle stitch, and please do not forget that, and just keep repeating this. And now we have 7 stitches here, so we're just going to do 3 single crochet, and on the first stitch we're going to do 3 single crochet for the increase. Repeating row 2 and row 3, just doing this. So you're just going to keep doing this until we have 13 rows. and on the 13th row you should have 15 stitches. So this is the end of row 15. What I did is just chain one and fasten off, pretty easy. And now I'm going to do the stem. Now for the stem I'm using this black yarn, and if you have something like a beige or a brown yarn, I don't have that color. So now we have 15 stitches, and what we need to do is we're going to do the stem into the 5 middle stitches the 5 middle stitches. So you're going to count 5 on the side and 5 in the other side, and we have 5 stitches in the middle. We're going to start from there and insert the other yarn to make the stem. So I'm going to start this with a chain of 1. Into the same stitch that I chained 1, I'm going to go back into the same stitch and do 1 single crochet. Then I'm going to do 4 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, making a total of 5 single crochet. Now for the stem, we are working under both loops. So after 5 single crochet, I will chain 1, then I turn my work around and go under both loops and do another round of 5 single crochet. This is going to be the last round. Another 5 single crochet. Then you chain 1 and I fasten off. So on the last round, I chain 1, fasten off, and do not forget to weave in your yarn, because in the video I do not usually weave in the yarn. So weave in your yarn to keep everything neat. And right now I am going to tie the loop right there on top of the magic circle without closing it. We are not going to close this magic circle. I'm just going to wrap that yarn around the circle and to create a loop, and I'm going to just insert it into that loop and make a tight knot just right there on top of the tree. We are not going to close the magic circle, so we are going to use that that loop to hang the tree. And now I've done that, and this is the end of the video. I hope you like this tutorial. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.